Hi friends, welcome to Sachin Ramesh Oracle DBA channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to attend the group interview and group discussion and telephonic interview as well as face-to-face interview. So I am going to describe here how to tackle how to take up group interview preparation, how to prepare the group interview preparation and telephonic interview as well as face-to-face interview. Okay, guys, we will go with that slide. So, slide here one by one. Many of them had a lot of interview here, like group discussion, how to we are going to tackle or manage that interview with a group of people. Here, this is the agenda. First, introduction and then preparation of group discussion (GD) interview. Prepare for a group interview questions and 6 group interview tips ends with conclusion. Okay, next we'll move with introduction. Introduction. We all have to go through various set of the group interview so as to be able to land a job in a particular company. Be it is a telephonic interview or a group interview or the ultimate personal interview. But tackling all these different types of group interview have a different set of steps to be followed. And this particular article will deal with these various steps that you can follow in order to be able to sign in a group interview and move a step ahead. But before discussing that, we need to be understand what exactly do you mean by group interview or group discussion and what it is importance. The group interview is the interviews where the candidate applying for the same position are brought together in a room and tested in their responses to the questions asked to them and also how they would react in a teamwork environment. How good the candidates can work with other team members and whether they are able to take up in the suggestions of their team's member or to do they think they themselves are superior and put the other candidates down. These are done by the interviewer by putting you in hypothetical situation and evaluate you on the basis of how to handle or tackle that situation or the issue. There are a various set of skills that are tested here by the company. Number one, the way that you address the problem. Number two, the way of communication adapted by you for the communication within the team. Number three, the amount of and the way of teamwork undertaken by you. Here it is. It is often believed that the group interview can be much more stressful than the other types of interview. Hence, it is also believed that this type of group interview gives the employer and the interviewer a better insight into how will the interview handle the stressful situation and if you are the best person for the job or how suitable you are for the job. All right. Preparation of group interview. Yeah. Now that is understood that the that what of the other group interview is and have an idea why the group interview is required. Yeah, the job in the company. But other than that, there are several other reasons as to why the companies conduct the group interview. It is believed and understood that the group interview is conducted by the companies that require their employees to have a lot of interaction with the customers, require the employees to be able to think on their feet and keep their cool in a situation so that they are much more equipped to better solve the problems. But this advantage of the group interview does not restrict the benefits of the group interview to such industries only. There are various other benefits that the other companies can derive from the group interviews. The following reason explicitly explain the benefits of that the various companies are able to derive from this type of interview. Yes, we'll move on to the next slide. Number one, preparation of group interview question is quite cost effective in comparison to the one-to-one interview because of time and the money involved to interview one person can be used to a group interview with 15 people together instead. Number two, the group interview activities are also time effective because going through each application separately can be quite tiresome process and also consuming time consuming. Hence, group interview tend to save time of the organization. Number three, group interview questions have to be provides efficiency in the case of companies intend to hire a large number of people at once because it streamlines of the process hiring the people and the process of interviewing the people. Number four, the group interview also helps the interviewer to mimic the job situation so that they are able to judge a candidate in a better way and judge if they will be able to adjust in the work environment of the company. Alright, now that you have understood what is the exact meaning of group interview questions and why do the companies actually conduct it, now we can take the group interview much more seriously and this requires a little more group interview preparation on the part of the candidate. But there is no need to worry. The article tells you exactly. Here it is what we are discussing. That article exactly tells what you should be doing in a group interview in order to be able to stand out and shine during this group interview questions. Okay, sometimes you might think that you are going in for an one-on-one interview, but you reach destination to find yourself in a group interview. That the group interview activity must catch up you by surprise. Yes, of course. A group might not necessarily mean that there are a lot of candidates for you to stand out among, but it might also mean that there is more than one interviewer in front of whom you have to sell yourself and prove your worth. You often find yourself in a situation where you are tested or you are put in a situation and asked to how to handle this situation. The basic aim of the group interview is just you as how well you are able to communicate your ideas and how well you can think on your feet. This may scare for the group interview activities, but don't worry if you keep the following points in mind and are well prepared for the group interview questions, then you can ace the interview very easily. There is no rocket science here that you can't understand. Okay, guys, we'll move with next slide. Yeah, here it is. There are 6 group interview tips here. Number 1, cancel your thoughts. The first group interview tips have sometimes it might so happen that you are taken aback by the setting up the group interview as you had expected it to be a personal interview, but do not let the show on your face. The group interview might interrupt various things out of your expression of the interviewer is looking for someone who's able to work in a team and is able to talk to people. So walk in the room with confidence and be prepared for whatever is coming your way. Also, don't be too confident and don't try to judge everyone. No matter how much you want to size up everyone up, just do not do it. It would lead to either of the two things. Either you would feel highly underconfident or highly overconfident. And both these scenarios are not good for you. Hence, just try and keep your thoughts to yourself and don't let them show on your face. Let's move. So, number two, try and be friendly. Instead of these group interview tips that trying to size everyone up, you should try and be friends with the co-candidates. It's quite understandable that the candidate often tends to be quiet when waiting for their turn and tend to check their notes in the phone. Just try not to do that. Instead of try and initiate a conversation with the fellow candidate. This will, for one, put a good impression on the interviewer. He would be able to recognize that initiator of the conversation and think of you as a more people friendly person and a good team worker, and he will also be you as a good networker. So this will be a good start for you and will begin is half done. Two, the friendship initiated by you might even help you in the group interview ahead. So no matter how nervous you feel on the inside, try and be friendly with the other person. It can get quite some brownie points. Number three, try and talk to everyone. That group interview tips to use your competition with with the candidates to your benefit. Try and address everyone in the room with their first names at least the maximum that you can. This is projecting you as a leader in the eyes of the interviewer, which is something that you want. Also, you can use the conversation that you strike earlier with the fellow candidate to your aid when the situation arises. For example, the interviewer asks you about your views on a current topic, so you can say that you and Kevin be just talking on the issue that these are his views on this topic, which I quite agree with or I don't agree with, depending upon your views. What you can also do is take the other candidate's answer forward and build your answer around it. It will also save your embarrassment and repeating somebody else's answer. Even if you find yourself alone in a room with the multiple interviewers, try and involve everyone in the one of them and when you are addressing and panel and not someone in particular. It puts you in a better situation and puts you a better impression. Number four, be true and to yourself. Tips for a group interviewers is one of the most clinched line, but one that holds the highest importance. Many times, it so happens that in order to impress the interviewer, people often overdo things or might take a little aggressive approach. Cutting people off mind sentence or not really paying attention to what they are saying can really harm the image or the person that you are trying to create about yourself. If you are not a leader or a bold leader, then don't try to be one. It can be backfire and really have some hazardous results. Nobody is of the opinions that they are comfortable working with someone who doesn't even pay attention or due to respect what you are trying to say. So just be yourself and try and show your true self in the best possible way. Be noticed for all the right reasons. Alright. Number five, do not ramble. If you are a shy person or you are just not used to speaking in a crowd, then group interview can be a particularly difficult for you. But when you do speak up, make sure that what you speak has a purpose and solid base. Also, do not apologize for speaking up for injecting because you are not. If you do this, it will just harm the image of that you are trying to create in your mind that interviewer. So just try to keep your apology to yourself. Also, if you think that you are constantly talking will help you get noticed, then that is not a right thought process. You just need to speak something substantial. Do not repeat the answers. Do not speak anything that will not just tarnish that image. The preparation of the group interview that you have done for the interview is probably going to go out of the window because the points that you have worked, thought of this probably something that everything else has also thought. So just make sure that when you say something, it will be carry the conversation forward and your thoughts will have something valuable to add to the ongoing conversation. Alright, number 6. Listen carefully. Just thinking about what you are going to say next is not going to help you. You need to listen as well. It is as much important as is the process speaking your thought. If you don't know where the conversation is headed, then you can't expect yourself to contribute anything meaningful. The conversation ends just to come across a dumb person. Also, if you instead of use the first name of the people, then you listen to them when they speak, or else you will just forget their names and lose that edge over everybody else. Also, if you have a thought that you want to speak, then don't cut the conversation in the middle. Instead, jot down the point and speak when it is your turn to speak. Alright, now we saw the most important 6 tips for that group interview. Now we came to the conclusion. Also, make sure that when you leave the room, the interviewer remember your face, be it a small thank you or is a silly joke that you crack, or just ask what where to follow, stand out from the group. Cracking a group interview is not that difficult if you realize what it is that you have to do and what are the things that you can skip doing during this interview, and you are good to go. Just don't try to overdo things. It can never end up in your favor. It will always come across something that you are trying to force. So keep away from that. Don't let your fear overpower you. As I said above, it is not a rocket science. Alright friends,